Can anyone explain to me why I keep breaking my coolant reservoirs? This is the third one I'm replacing. And it keeps cracking right here. I don't understand. I don't know how. I mean, of all things I do, how does one break that right there every single time? I don't get it. Yeah, look at this thing. Can you see it? Let's see if I can get a good picture of it. There, that's the crack. Every single time, right there. I just don't get it. I really don't get it. So I've talked to Cliff at Prodigy. I even asked around to other people, even the dealer. I asked if the dealer, if our local dealer, if they've been seeing issues with the coolant reservoir, and everyone says no, never have problems. So, I mean, am I the unlucky one? Or, I mean, I'm not the hardest on my vehicles, but I know I'm not the easiest, but I just don't get it. I really don't get how that right there cracks every single time for only me. I don't know. I wish I had that luck hitting the lottery. Have you guys had any issues? Let me know. Comment below.